day of the 24th Congress of the CPIM in Madurai. And of course, Madurai is a place that is famous for the trade union movement, the freedom struggle, martyrdom of so many comrades. So in that atmosphere, we are meeting at a time when we are trying to rebuild the strength of the party, which has been eroded in the last several years. So therefore, the atmosphere has been a very positive one and the discussion has been very good. People have spoken very openly. They have made self-criticism, they have made criticism, but with the feeling being expressed very strongly that the problems of the past, the mistakes of the past must be overcome, and the party must march forward, increase its strength, because it is the only political force that can actually defeat the Sangh Parivar and collect all others around it in that very important task. And of course, the issue of the trade union strike, historic trade union strike, that is going to, that is already the preparations have started, because the central government is taking away all the rights of the working class. And here I would like to say that very often people feel that this government, BJP government, is only against the Muslims and the rights of the Muslims. Of course it is. It has been proved again by the passing of that Waqf bill. But sections of society must realize that all of them are under threat. Whether it is women, whether it is workers, whether it is farmers, whether it is Dalits, whether it is tribals, all are under threat, because this kind of a Hindutva agenda that is being implemented, it is actually a Manovad-inspired agenda which is against the rights of 95% of the population of the country. So this historic strike, which is being organized by CITU with all the other central trade unions, is going to be a very important step in exposing this government and fighting this government.